Hey, what's up guys? If you're serious about keeping your beard on point, you've probably heard of the Braun Series 9 beard trimmer. Today we're unboxing it and checking out everything it comes with. You can get this trimmer on Amazon for around £130 or on a limited time deal of £85. Let's have a look at the box. Right here on the front it highlights over 10 barbering tools included, and just below you'll see it boasts an impressive 180 minutes cordless battery. It has lifetime sharp blades for consistent performance, and it has a charging stand, and of course the tagline, "Look barber fresh every day." It really sets the tone for what the trimmer is about. On the side you'll see some standout specs: 40 length settings for complete precision, advanced tech that adapts to your beard's thickness, and it's fully washable, so cleaning it's a breeze. And then just at the bottom here there's images of the attachments that are in the box. Now we've seen the outside, now let's take a look in the inside and see what you get. This video is just an unboxing to show you what comes with the Braun Series 9. I'll need to use it for a while before giving you my full thoughts on how it performs, but let's have a look at first impressions. And here we are. Look at that. It even comes with a premium case to keep everything organised and protected. Let's take this travel case out. And zipping the case, you're greeted with the Braun Series 9 trimmer. Right away, the design stands out. It looks sleek, modern, it's got a premium stainless steel finish, and it feels solid. It feels well made in the hand. It already comes with the beard level attachment on it, and so far, the trimmer I think is looking really good in my opinion. Let's see what else is in the box. Here's the charging stand that comes with the Braun Series 9. Let's open it. It looks compact and sleek. One thing to note though, if you're in the UK you'll need to get a separate adapter for the 2-pin plug that's included. It's something just to keep in mind if you're planning to use it straight out the box. Next we have the fade attachments included with the Braun Series 9. These are perfect if you're into like creating sharp blended fades or tapering your beard or hair. They come in 2 sizes, giving you flexibility depending on the look you're going for. You just snap them onto the trimmer and you're ready to achieve that barber level precision. And here's the other one. These fade attachments are a great addition for anyone looking to get that clean professional finish. This is the detail attachment. It's designed for precision, shaping edges, defining sharp lines, trimming smaller areas. I'd say this is the edge attachment. This is for like creating clean sharp lines or defining precise contours or trimming hard to reach areas. Now let's take a look at the longer trim attachment. This one is designed for maintaining longer beards or even trimming your hair. It's ideal for anyone rocking a thicker, fuller beard or wanting to keep their head hair at a specific length. And you also get a Gillette Pro Glide razor included in the box, which is a nice bonus for adding those finishing touches to your shave. And lastly, we have the cleaning brush. It's a small but essential tool that helps keep your trimmer in top condition. Use it after each use. Next we have the manual. It's pretty straightforward, giving you all the instructions you need for the trimmer and its attachments. Now these might look like rulers, but they're actually beard stencils. These are designed to help you achieve precise symmetrical lines when shaping your beard. I'm not sure if I'll use these myself, but I can definitely see how they'd be useful for some of you. Do any of you guys use beard stencils? Let me know in the comments. Now let's show the attachments of power. As you can see, the light shows it's fully charged. I'll turn the dial to show the beard length go up. This looks sturdy, there's not too much flex. Next we've got the fade attachment. It's super simple to use, it just clips right onto the trimmer. Unlike the beard trimmer attachment, you can't adjust the levels with this one. Next up we've got this little one, the detail attachment. This is designed for precision work. I like this one, it clips on just like the other attachments, and because of its size it gives you total control of those finishing touches. Next is the edge trimmer attachment. This one is designed specifically for creating sharp defined edges around your beard or hairline. If you're looking for that clean crisp lines or barber fresh finish, the edge trimmer attachment makes it simple. Lastly, I've put the standard trimmer head back on, and now we're looking at the final attachment, this longer beard and hair comb. And here's a really handy feature: if you press the switch above the power button, it locks the length setting in place. That way you don't have to worry about any accidental slips or changes mid-trim. So that's the Braun Series 9 trimmer. First impressions? It's well designed, packed with useful features and feels solid. I'll need to use it for a while to see how it holds up. What do you think? Would you use it? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.